It's terrible.
But you can't say that. We were bad one day.
Caleb, you don't understand that you're coming in on the tail end of an entire semester of hell for Mrs. Rodriguez.
Okay, but they told me that it was worse with me.
I don't know what to talk about. Okay. I don't know. You might want to hole punch this because this will be one that I would. Okay.
I'm actually so excited to work. I was just thinking yesterday, man, I really want to.
You want to take mythology?
Evil?
Yeah. I used to hate Subway. I don't know why.
I do.
And I actually ate it. And I was like,
I love that.
Avery, how was your nap?
I didn't take it. He told me that he tried to provide this later. He tried to provide.
Okay.
I'm gonna be more insulting. I tried and I failed.
All right, I know. That's probably
I
right.
tried to
No.
They give you a lot of they give you a lot of money for it.
This is
Okay. Anyway, please be quiet so we can get on with this. So I would like to. Why don't you flip that paper over in this spot where letter D, I crossed it off because we're not going to do it. But what I would like you to actually do, I would like you to find dy dx.
So this is y double prime. Yeah.
This is y primes, but not x primes, correct. Okay, this is implicit differentiation.
When do you do it?
Related rates.
If it's related rates. Yep. So both, in the case where both x and y are related to some outside thing, usually time. There is a product rule in there, don't miss that.
Aw, dang it.
I didn't do it because I did it every single time, every other time.
Good job. Good. That's what it's all about.
Interesting. That 2.5. What if I just pretend I never saw it? It's actually 2 times 5.
Doesn't matter. You could still do it that way, and it would be zero.
Yeah. Don't listen. Mr. Douglas, will you give me this number real quick?
Yep.
Okay. This one I distribute the negative in here, correct? So it's minus 5.9, so I guess you get 0.
Yes, Miles.
Really for it. I never got myself.
You're right, because you were gone and then I was gone, and I missed it the first
Well,
day.
if you're gone on your birthday, you don't deserve a top.
Whoa.
Whoa. We all.
Okay, that's bad.
It was January 1st. It is very important. I'm so sorry. Like, you laughed.
Well, when you're doing positives and negatives, small.
I know.
I can say that.
That's what's
Wait, David, what did you get?
Not
I know, it's weird.
Okay, folks.
I have an extra.
You both are wrong.
So,
No, this is supposed to be an
It's a break though? No. This is right.
David, go sit down, please. Okay, so
Oh, no, you are right.
what's the derivative of x squared? 2x. We've got minus, what's the derivative of y squared? 2y prime. You guys, this requires the use of the product rule. You either need to put the minus and then put the product rule in parentheses. Caleb does it that way, and that's fine. Or you need to treat it as the first piece is negative 5x and use the product rule that way. So derivative of that is negative 5 times the y plus or minus the derivative of the first one times the second one, which is y prime. What's the derivative of 25? 0. Okay, now when we're doing implicit, the y primes need to stay together and move the other things, or you can move the y primes. I'm going to actually move them because they're both negative. So 2y prime plus 5x y prime. At this point, you divide, or you pull out the y prime. Sorry, you don't divide by y prime. So then you should have 2x minus 5y over 2y plus 5x. Now, if you moved your other things, you can have the exact opposite of this. So maybe you have negative 2x plus 5y over negative 2y minus 5x. Totally fine. Yep, totally fine. You could, but you don't have to. Okay, so you guys, this is implicit differentiation. So what we are going to be doing is combining implicit differentiation with what we've already talked about with increasing and decreasing and concave up and concave down. Okay, so let me ask you this question. If this is our equation and we know that it goes through the point 5, 10, which I don't know if it does or not, but we'll just pretend. So if it goes through the point 5, 10, you should be able to tell me if this equation is increasing or decreasing at the point 5, 10. Yeah. Plug it in. The original is increasing or decreasing.
Oh, you don't plug it in at the top.
No,
You do plug it in at the top. Sorry.
you do not.
It's the original because if it's positive, that's telling us that the original is increasing.
Right. So remember, we're interpreting the derivative. So you plug this into the derivative, and its value will tell you whether or not the original is increasing or decreasing. Right. Question, David?
I'm a little confused because it goes from minus 2y prime minus 5xy prime to, and then that term's positive.
I moved them to the other side of the equation. Add them to the other side.
Add them.
Because it's an equation.
So that divided
Well,
by
you subtract it to the other
5
side, but then it becomes a positive because it's double negative.
Oh, okay, but the top bit stays negative.
Because I didn't move it.
I got 8 over
It
9.
immediately goes positive if you move it to the other side, even if it's symmetric.
So think about how you would have to do that.
David,
It's real
how would
simple.
you solve this? What would you do?
Yeah, it would be negative one. It would be
David.
negative one.
How?
You move the 10 to the, you subtract 10.
You subtract 10.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
all I'm confused about.
What do you do if it's this?
Add 9.
You add 9. Therefore, if I'm moving this to the other side of the equation, I have to add it.
You're that. Caleb's ready to eat. Oh, so those are killed.
Me too.
Okay, so Caleb says he got 8 over 9. Is that right?
No, that makes sense.
Hey, do I have confirmation on the 8 over 9?
Is it negative?
Negative, really?
Is it negative?
I think so, right? You got negative.
No, I got positive 8 over 9.
It's
No,
negative.
It's negative 8 over 9.
Yep.
But I got
Yep. Because it would be 10 minus, it would be 10 minus 50. Okay, which is, and the bottom would be positive. So now, based on this, is the original increasing or decreasing at the point 5, 10? Decreasing, because the derivative is negative at that point. Now, the nice thing about this is there's no sign charts. There's no sign charts. Literally, it's just plugging a point, and we can only analyze at a specific point. Okay, so that is a good thing. So flip over. So this is what it would look like, right? In question 1. The only reason that you're getting this as a paper is just so that we don't have to write it down.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. So I'd like you to try that one. Okay, this is implicit relationship because X's and Y's are together. Oh, natural log. Yep.
So that's not what
That's what you were saying.
I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
That's not my question. So, I told why I'm talking about that. I'm talking.
No, I'm not trying to drill it, but double chain it out.
What's that drop on?
Yeah.
But that's not.
This is a negative.
Yeah.
Where did it go?
That's, I was changing my answer. But this is
Oh,
the
yeah.
original answer.
Yes, but listen, you have to listen to everything I say because I said, if you have the exact opposite of mine, that's also correct.
No, good question.
No, I know you didn't. So listen to the whole thing.
Because I thought you were.
Because you don't pay attention.
I'm trying.
David,
My brain does not like to pay attention to things for more than 5 minutes.
you gotta figure that out.
The 5 minute timer right now, and then I was just like.
The same answer as him.
It is a shame, correct? I'm not leading her astray.
5 minutes of break hour that I had gave me the right answer.
Stop talking.
Yeah, I understand.
We're on
Change it,
problem one.
so you're gonna do against the y eventually. Once you take it out, that's gonna need y prime.
Avery, that's probably not appropriate for class.
You asked me what.
I'm not being theoretical, so.
Why aren't you doing the problem?
Oh.
That's not a theoretical. Chain rule.
That's where my pencil went.
Yep, did I do the check? No, this would be one over this.
And then
That is one over that, the
the
thing that
bring this
is in
over,
that.
right? Bring this over.
We have to do that.
Yep.
Where G
Yep.
minus 1 is like minus 2.
Yep.
No, you can't separate those because this is multiplication.
Let's hit the Joe method and right and multiply the right side by E.
So then let's just be on the top and
Yeah, minus
I mean, it's all that.
we're multiply by the top.
Simon, what do you think of the Joe method?
I don't take this out.
Multiply the right side by E.
No, it's all multiplied.
That's a good job.
That way you can.
Well, it's multiplying.
And then just divide it by E at the end, and then
Fraction.
That's good.
You reckon that works?
So cross.
Yes,
Yes, you can cancel your y squares and the fours. but I
She
would-
did say yes. It doesn't matter.
But yes.
See, she said yes again.
Garrett, do you want what I'm gonna say yes to? If you can go to the office, because you are not paying attention.
Do you multiply the constants so it becomes 9 times 4 and then x squared?
Yeah, I would, yes, and then you have to reduce it.
Anything else? No, it's just two.
Okay, folks, we will pick up with that on Monday. Listen, do your online assignment. Do your online assignment. And come to